What is going on, YouTube? I am in the barn finishing up a video on my GS 550 project, and I've got tremendously huge news. I'm about to hit 10,000 subscribers, something I never thought would happen. So this video is probably going to be kind of short, and that's okay, because I want to say if you've stuck around or if you happen to be watching it, I'm going to do a 10,000 subscriber AMA probably next weekend. I'll be at 10,000 by then if my channel metrics keep up growing the way they are. And Ask Me Anything, an AMA is just literally ask me anything. What's my favorite color? What's my favorite car? Why do I put mayonnaise on a hot dog? Whatever it is. If you want to know why the Miata's sitting there or the Mustang's sitting there, make sure you ask that. If you're curious why I have, oh my goodness, there's guineas. There's guineas in my yard. Hello, guineas. Look at them. Those aren't my guineas. They just happen to be in my yard. If you're curious about the trailer, it's finally up. It's finally moving. It took me a minute to get my lazy bum moving. I'm actually renting that trailer out now. I'm kind of not really making a whole lot of money with it. I just barely started, but I'm renting it out on a couple apps in the local area to see if a trailer rental side business is something that I want to do long term, if it's something that we can turn into a second income, something like that. But that's what's going on with that. I don't know why I'm rambling on about that, but like I said, if you're curious about these kinds of things, oh my goodness, there's stuff flying in my hair. I've got a big video planned for 10,000 subscribers. Well, maybe not a big video plan, but a big project plan. I've been saving and saving and saving my YouTube pennies, and I am done rolling around in the dirt. There is something very big coming to the inside of my carport / shop so that I can work on things without having to roll around in the dirt. I'm gonna have to do another cleanup video. Things have just accumulated out here more and more and more and more. I need to take a bunch of stuff up to the loft. I need to get rid of a bunch of stuff from the loft. I might make that a video. I might not. If you want to see a video of me cleaning up my mess that I made, that I'm guilty of, leave a comment. Say, make a video cleaning your mess, and I'll clean that. But I don't know if you're going to watch the GS video or not, but here it is. I'm working on it. I'm starting to put some effort into it. I'd like to ride it this spring. I'm probably going to pull the engine out, rebuild the carburetors, paint everything, do some work, paint the frame, put it back together. It's probably not going to be its final form, probably not going to be perfect, but I want to at least get it back together to the point where I can ride it while I continue to work on it. So I don't know. It's been a minute since I've had a motorcycle, so I'd like to get going on this and do some more to this. This is probably always going to be with me as something that I will keep just because I like it. This is the first cafe racer that I'm trying to build. I've owned several. I've owned two CB750s, but I didn't build them. They weren't cafe racers either. They were just CB750s. You didn't ask about any of that. We'll save that for the 10,000 subscriber AMA video. But like I said, coming up very soon, 10,000 subscribers. If there's anything you want to know, make sure you ask us those questions, and I will do a whole video on them. So if you have a question, leave it in this comments section. I'll probably also do like a short video or something that people can leave questions in. But this is exciting. I'm kind of looking, I didn't think my channel would grow to this big. If you've stuck around this long, I would like to say that I really, really appreciate you. Keep hanging around, keep hanging out with me. We're gonna keep making more videos about becoming an aircraft mechanic, all that kind of stuff, and as well as working on my stuff here at the house. Yes, I know I need to clean my barn. Don't feel the need to tell me about it. Anyways, I'll send you all out with the guineas. As always, make sure you go build something and be easy. What? What? Quit screaming at me. Quit screaming at me. No, I want to pet you. I want to pet you. Let me pet you.